Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back again today with a What's in the Box on Pentair's iChlor 15 with the Power Cell bundle. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, we've got Pentair's iChlor. This is a salt chlorine generator that can actually get plumbed in line for your equipment. This is the IC15 model with the power pack. So for those of you guys that don't know, most of the time if you're buying a salt chlorinator, they do also require a generator separately. So if you're just looking to replace your current one, you still have a good generator on the wall. You don't actually necessarily need this one, but if you're looking to do this fresh right out of the box, you're going to want to go with the combo pack because this is already going to include that generator for you at a better price. So again, this actually carries the trade name, so you'll actually have to visit us directly at our retail store in Phoenix, Arizona in order to actually be able to get pricing for this thing. This is not available online. If you see this available online, do not buy it. It is not meant to be sold online. But in the rare case that you do make it down to our office and you want to come check us out, we'll definitely open this thing up and show you guys. So I just want to show you guys what comes included so you know what to expect when you're going to try to do the install yourself. So go ahead and open it up. So right off the bat, you'd say I already cut the quality seal. They always have a quality seal on all of their items like this, just letting you know that it was quality checked before it left. I already pre-cut it for you guys. So if yours is cut, make sure that you guys take it and open it up like I am for you guys so you guys actually know what you're getting into. So they give you two different boxes here. I'm guessing one has the cell and one has the power pack, but let's go ahead and open them both up for you. So again, really good packaging for it. Make sure that everything ships well from Pentair to your dealer. In this case, your dealer being ePoolSupply. So you want to make sure that you guys are verifying that all the packaging kind of looks similar so that you guys know that you're getting a brand new unit. So first thing I'm going to pull out are your unions. Always, 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 always install your unions. It makes your life so much easier when you have to do any type of replacement later, whether it's just cleaning the cell or whether you actually need to replace the entire cell. It will make your life easier to make sure that you guys do unions. And in this case, for this one, you can't actually plumb it without the unions. So just keep that in mind whenever you're doing anything with your pool equipment. It's much smarter to make sure that you guys use those unions at all possible to make sure that maintenance and cleaning and replacement is just so much easier for you guys. Plus, it saves you more money down the line. So again, here's the actual unit itself. Again, this is the 15,000 K unit, so it's only really rated up to 15,000 gallons in your pool. So they do make a 30 version. I believe they're planning on coming out with a larger one, but this is an inline chlorinator, much more slimline design compared to the iChlor, which is that more tubular looking one with the white screen on top. But this one does also have a screen with a full digital readout on it. It'll actually tell you what it's outputting. And if you need to do less or more, it gives you the option to be able to do all those things directly from the salt cell itself, as well as if you already have Pentair automation, this will hook up to Pentair automation, which will allow you to see all that as well. So again, when you're going to install one of these fresh out the bag, don't expect to just put this in and then all of a sudden you got salt water. You do have to take additional steps. There are salt bags that you actually need to purchase and pre-salt the water so that things just operate smoothly. Otherwise, you could end up taking the risk of just frying this thing right out of the bag because it doesn't have enough salt to help generate to create that chlorine that you want rather than using tabs or liquid down the line. So again, if you guys aren't familiar with this process, please consult a local pool professional. It makes a lot more sense than having to rip it all back out and do it all over again. So included as well is your user manual. Again, this will give you installation and your user guide. It does come with the warranty card. So again, if you purchase this from a retail store and you get it professionally installed at your house, make sure that you guys file for that warranty. I believe these come with a 3-year warranty. So you want to make sure that you do that to make sure that if anything happens, parts, pieces, anything could happen, you want to make sure that you're covered, and Pentair takes care of you for that for sure. So make sure you guys fill this out. You can actually do it online or you can actually send a piece of paper in, but highly recommend that you guys do it online. Much easier for you. And then the last thing you got is your actual plumbing template. Really nice plumbing template, super simple. You're going to find the return line on your pool And again, this thing has an arrow on it to tell you what the flow direction of the water is going. So you want to make sure that you're installing this correctly. But this will give you the perfect amount of what you need to actually cut in terms of that return line. So you're going to want to find something that gives you this much space on that return line to be able to install this and still give you enough room for this cord to be able to reach the power pack that will open up in here. So that's all that that box, and then I'll get into here on the actual generator itself. So I'm not super familiar on whether or not these are the same type of generator. They do look a lot different than the typical iChlor generator. As you can tell, it is very different. So this looks really nice. The fact that you don't have to wire anything, and this actually has an actual plug. So at your panel, you should be able to install an outlet. This plugs in. It looks like the cord runs directly through and into here. This is what's going to power your cell. So I actually like that design a lot better than the iChlor, just because that one actually requires you to actually use the your electrical wires. You actually have to plumb it from the cell over to the transformer, and the transformer over into your automation system. So, and then what we got here looks like another piece of a union here. Looks kind of cool. I mean, this looks like some kind of extension. So if you need a little bit of an extension, they do give you that as well, which is cool. Yeah, but that. So I definitely like the power pack and this one a lot better than its predecessor of not the iChlor, but the IntelliChlor. So definitely recommend, if you guys are looking for a simple salt system, go with the iChlor. But again, this is only going to be available for you guys directly at your local retail. So make sure you guys come down and check us out at ePoolSupply. So again, just want to show you guys what comes in the box. If you guys got any more questions, please reach out to our support staff at support@ePoolSupply or give us a call. We're happy to help you guys. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.